How's it going, guys? This is Shady Tech. As you can see, I just finished assemble this L-shaped desk that I got in front of me here. And I bought this online on Shopee by the furniture store called Casa. Actually, this kind of desk is more like an OEM brand. So what they do is quite a few local supplier in Malaysia here, they brought it in this kind of table and then they rebrand it to their own brand. So the color that I got here is maple color, and I believe you can also get it in black and probably white if I'm not mistaken. The menu that it comes with is totally in Chinese, because this L-shaped desk is from China obviously. If you're aware or if you're not aware, you can actually use your phone and use the Google Lens. One of the features in the Google Lens is called Google Translate, and just point it to the part of menu you want to make the words translate. As you can see how I demonstrate here, and voila, that's how you can translate it into English or any other language you want. So this is the process of me assemble this from start to finish. Okay, so there's the whole process of me assembling the whole desk. And as you can see, my cat is following me around all the time while I'm assembling the table. I hope you don't find her annoying because she's actually on a hit now, and that's how a cat is. If a cat is on the hit, she will be following the owner around all the time and making a loud noise. There's a couple of extra features on this desk that I like, even though I don't actually use it and I don't even install one of the features, and it's the sliding drawer, and it's basically for keyboard. If you don't want to use it, you don't have to install it. As you can see, as on my setup, I don't install it at all, but you can obviously, and for my particular, I just set it aside. And there's an extra board here with 4 stands. I suppose you can call it stands. It's meant to put your CPU on top of it. Of course, once again, I don't use it as to put my CPU. For now, I don't have any idea what I should put on it, so I just leave it aside there and I'll think about it, what I can do with it. I mean, you can put some stuff on it and make it decorative on top of the table or beneath the table or anywhere else you want it to be. So what I think about the L-shaped desk, I personally think that it's really nice. I mean, there's like a dual kind of setup here I can do. I don't put a lot of things here, just my laptop and some decorative plants. I plan to decorate more in the future videos, but for now I just put it as it is now. And I like the stands. The stand is actually made from aluminum, and the top here is made from wood, but it's not like a really solid wood. It's a little bit thin, I would say, but it's not that thin at all. You can put some lightweight stuff on it. I mean, like for example, my laptop or some books or whatever. But I don't recommend you to put a whole CPU or like a heavy printer or whatever in it. Especially this part doesn't have any support at all. At this edge here, there's no stand edge here. So the stand is on the left side edge here and here and here. So here, I would suggest you to just put some decorative stuff or nothing too heavy. But as a whole, I still really enjoy this desk. That's it from me, Shady Tech. I'll see you guys in the next video. Signing out.